they didn't really cause us any problems. You know, they had lots of possession, but when we got the ball back, we moved it better. You know, we broke on them, we got down the sides of them, we caused them problems without, again, really asking a question of the keeper. And then we let a poor goal in. You know, the chance we had at the end, if that falls to Draper, he scores it. Simple as that.
And obviously, like I said, you had the chances towards the end, you came into the game, but unfortunately today you couldn't find a way past Paul Harrison.
No, I mean, you know, he never had to make any great saves. Everything was, you know, a little bit passive. Too many times we hit balls over the crossbar. When we come inside, we don't, you know, ask questions of him. But it was a difficult game, and it was difficult for both teams. You know, we've got 2 games left in the season. I have not mentioned the referee all season, but the referee's hopelessly out of his depth. Simple as that, and not good enough at this level. And that's twice I've had it now, and twice he's cost me games. And you know, I'll stick my neck out and just say it. You know, it's out of his depth.
So, do you think Nathan Wolfe was harshly dealt with?
I think it's a harsh red card. It didn't need a red card. There's 2 players covering round. You know, the lad's lost contact with the ball. He ain't getting to the ball. There's people coming round, and it's not just that. I mean, this is football. This is a man's game. This is a contact sport. We got somebody out there giving fouls for people touching each other. You know, and it's frustrating for the opposition bench as it is for me. That's not football. That's no reflective of football in any way. The game goes out. I might as well give the game up. Anybody watching that game tonight and see some of the fouls that are given, you'd say the game's gone, completely gone, because it's absolutely appalling tonight.
And obviously now, there's 2 games left, and the fight for second place is still on with Bala.
Listen, we'll go again next week. You know, we're down to the bare bones tonight. You know, Kai's had to pull out, and then Les pulled out for a kick-off, and Wildy and Danny Harrison's away. So, you know, we were down to the bare bones, but the lads, to a man, every one of them, fantastic credit they take tonight, because they were exceptional, every one of them, and they deserved a point from the game. You know, you don't get what you deserve always out of football. We deserve more than what we got tonight, and it's a hard one to swallow. But I'll say again, you know, if that's football and that's the way it's going, you know, I'll be long gone from football if that carries on like that, because you can't play football under them conditions.
Well, obviously now, Bangor, the only team in catcher, stopping again in Europe, hoping for a favour from Cardiff Met on Sunday.
Listen, football will take care of itself. You know, I don't want no favours of anybody else. You know, we'll go and beat Bala next week, and then we'll go and beat Cardiff Met on the last game of the season. I don't need no favours of anyone.